Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as you saw before, I am actually inspired by that little index card that I made for the iCAD little challenge that goes on every year on Instagram or all over the internet. And basically you make an index card every year, and I really love how this turned out. And I love using small projects and using them as inspiration for art journal pages. So I am just scribbling on some underpaper like I did for the other project, and I'm just gonna tear it off and put it in my altered book and just create a page that is inspired by that. So it's so much fun. Please let me know what you'd like to do with your scraps. I'd love to hear. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. This was definitely a fun page. So I will see you next time. Happy creating. Bye bye. And you'll see in this project that I'm going to use some of my affirmation printables. So those are available in my Etsy store. So I will leave a link below if you are interested in getting some of them. I love using them in my projects, and they're really fun and simple to use for projects like this. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue and you are shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true, the difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now.